Is it possible to adjust the number of words per page in a formatted document?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing whether it is possible to adjust the number of words per page in a formatted document. Formatting plays a crucial role in creating visually appealing and well-structured documents. So, let's dive in and explore the possibilities.
Understanding document formatting.
Before we delve into adjusting the number of words per page, let's briefly understand document formatting. Document formatting refers to the way a document is visually organized and presented. It includes elements such as margins, fonts, spacing, headers, footers, and more. By applying formatting, you can enhance the readability and overall aesthetics of your document.
Word count and pages.
When it comes to documents, word count and page count are two important factors. Word count represents the number of words present in a document, while page count indicates the number of pages the document spans. Typically, the number of words per page can vary depending on factors such as font size, line spacing, margins, and other formatting options.
Adjusting words per page.
Now, let's address the question: is it possible to adjust the number of words per page in a formatted document? The answer is yes. When you adjust the formatting settings of a document, you can influence the number of words that fit on a page. Here are a few ways to achieve this. 3.1 Adjusting margins. One way to control the number of words per page is by adjusting the margins. By decreasing the margin size, you can fit more content on a single page, thereby increasing the number of words per page. Conversely, increasing the margin size will reduce the number of words per page. 3.2 Modifying font and font size. Another way to adjust the number of words per page is by modifying the font and font size. Using a smaller font size will allow more words to fit on each page, while a larger font size will decrease the number of words per page. However, it's essential to strike a balance between readability and the number of words per page. 3.3 Changing line spacing. The line spacing between the lines of text in a document also affects the number of words per page. Decreasing the line spacing, also known as tightening the lines, will increase the number of words per page. Conversely, increasing the line spacing, known as loosening the lines, will reduce the number of words per page. 3.4 Adjusting columns and page size. In some cases, documents may be formatted with multiple columns or have a non-standard page size. By adjusting the number of columns or changing the page size, you can alter the number of words that fit on each page. In conclusion, it is indeed possible to adjust the number of words per page in a formatted document. By manipulating factors such as margins, font size, line spacing, columns, and page size, you can increase or decrease the number of words that appear on each page. However, it's important to strike a balance between the desired word count and maintaining readability. Remember, formatting should always serve the purpose of enhancing the overall quality and presentation of your document. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any further questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy formatting.